Today I'm blending two things I love. Mario and 3D printing. Let's roll. Here we go! Okay guys, so today marks the release of a highly anticipated Nintendo game collection called Super Mario 3D All-Stars. And if you don't know what 3D All-Stars is, then you're probably my mom, because I don't know why the heck else you would have clicked on this video. But just in case you're not entirely sure what it is, 3D All-Stars consists of Mario 64, Super Mario Sunshine, and Super Mario Galaxy, all in one game package for the Switch. I am so hyped for the release of this game package, and about a week ago, inspiration struck me and I had this idea to make a custom controller for each one of the 3 All-Stars games. At the time, it seemed like a totally fun, simple, doable project that I could get done in a week, and boy, oh boy, was I wrong. Honestly, my projects never go this way, so in the words of the wise Ron Swanson,
what the were you thinking?
I really couldn't tell you. Okay, so step 1. I needed to buy the 3 controllers from GameStop, and at the last minute an inspiration hit me. Mario Sunshine was originally a GameCube release. I should use a GameCube controller. Plus, it's in the middle, so it looked nice and symmetrical. So, I waltzed home with the 3 controllers in hand, sketched out some designs, and don't laugh, okay? Art isn't my strong suit. Okay, it's clearly my weak suit, but no problem. I'm an engineer. I know how to fix this. I just need to stop wasting time on sketches and design it for real. My original plan for the controllers was as follows. For the N64 controller, the centerpiece will be the infamous Mario head from the main menu. I would then convert the 4 main buttons into coins, and voila! A Mario 64 controller. For the Mario Sunshine controller, I had this handy-dandy circular inset that I scraped the Mario logo out of. So I decided to stick the awesome-looking Sunshine Star into that inset. Now you may be wondering, Sam, why didn't you just leave the Mario logo in and save yourself some work? It is a Mario game after all. I also found an awesome opportunity for some extra customization on this controller. I would make the A button look like a blue coin and the B button look like a red coin. Finally, for the Galaxy controller, I decided to go with the Grand Star from the game as a centerpiece. I hit 2 hiccups when designing the parts in Fusion 360, the first being the Mario 64 head. Did I mention I'm doing this whole project in a week, on top of a full college semester? I clearly wasn't going to be able to design the Mario head in time, no matter how low poly it is. Luckily, the community did the work for me, and I was able to find a wonderful model online. I sliced the back off of it, and I was ready to go. I also gave up on converting the 4 buttons into coins. I would tell you I had a great reason, but it's just because I was doing CAD for 3 hours straight, and I didn't have it in me anymore. Alright, so I got the parts printed, the Sunshine Star looked great, the Galaxy Star looked great, Mario looked absolutely spiffing, and the coins, I mean, they were fine. What, did you expect me to compliment every single one? Alright, so I have the parts in hand, and it's time to go painting, and let's just say, yeah, this is where the project really started going south, so if my anger seeps into the video, I apologize. It's gonna happen. So I started off by spray painting everything in its base color, doing everything just as I was supposed to. This all went well enough, but you know the saying, the devil's in the details? Well, in this case, the devil really had it out for me. Let's start with the stars. Both were a beautiful glossy yellow. I was feeling good about my accomplishments. All I had to do was color the eyes black with a Sharpie, and I was good to go. The Galaxy Star went relatively smoothly, but I messed up and overshot with the Sunshine Star. No biggie, I'll just respray it and give it another shot. After waiting 30 minutes for it to dry, I was ready to attack the issue again. This time, I decided to use black nail polish instead. Alright, looking good, one eye done. Ooh, that looks a little misshapen. I'll just add some, ooh, that's not good. Let me just, oh no. At this point, I was in a bit of a panic, and in that panic, I decided to dab up the black paint with a paper towel. Yeah, needless to say, the piece was so ruined that I had to print another one. Let me interrupt your highly depressing programming with a positive note before I launch you back into extreme failure land. The GameCube coin buttons worked absolutely great, and after a coat of enamel, I plunked them into the controller, and it worked awesome on the very first try. I am really happy with this result. You guys know what's funny about happiness? Yeah, I'm not. Alright, back to Misery Town.
Alright, yes, hello, welcome back to Misery Town. Today we will be mixing skin-colored paint. Yes, we'll start with the Mario head, and I think I'm going to start with some yellow, red, and blue mix. Okay, that is brown, so I will add some white nail polish. Can't find any white paint. Turns out white nail polish is not the same as paint. Really doesn't mix the same. I have made some dreadful purple. Okay, adding yellow turned it into barf. I've officially made bloody barf. This is an absolute nightmare. Adding blue will help. Just kidding, that made everything blue. How does one little dab of blue make everything blue? Okay, where did I go? I've left. Yes, I see I've left. Maybe I've gone to get some white paint. Yes, I've retrieved some real white paint. I've started over. Now we're making pink. Adding blue has, again, made it completely blue, and blue plus yellow equals green. We've made a horrible puce purple. We're steadily making our way off camera. Just to make this a less enjoyable experience for everybody, I've moved completely off of camera, so you can't even see what I'm doing. Looks like I may have found some success. I've got a horrible khaki colored oh, and I'm just going with it. Time to paint Mario, I guess. And guess what? I've moved Mario completely out of the view of the camera. This is officially the worst production ever. Touching up the hat, and would you look at that? Mario is painted. Goodbye.
Alright, everything besides the Sunshine Star is done. Time to stick it to the controllers. And man, this step was so unnotable that it actually was notable. I'm just so incredibly relieved to have one part of this process go well with nothing to complain about. I got so frustrated with this project that I might have forgot to record it, so here's the completed Mario Sunshine Star. I think it looks pretty good. Focus, please. Definitely didn't get to the same gloss point as the other star, but you know what? I'm okay with it. I'm glad I got a working model. Let's stick it to the controller and call this project finished. Okay, everybody, thank you so much for watching this video. I can't be bothered to set anything up. I've probably got 6 hours of editing ahead of me, and it's like 6 o'clock at night, so wish me luck. All in all, though, I had a lot of fun with this project despite all the things that went wrong. That's how every project goes, and I'm just used to it. I will be streaming Super Mario 3D All-Stars very soon, so if you want to go into the comments and vote on which game you want me to stream, I'd really love that. I'm down to play any of them, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!